In this episode, we'll show you how to clean and lubricate your motorcycle chain. Step 1. Equipment. So you'll need 2 pieces of cardboard, one to protect the tyre from the chain lube and one to protect the floor from the chain lube. Some drivetrain cleaner. You can also use maintenance spray or a can of chain cleaner. A chain clean brush, well recommended. A clean rag and some chain lube. They're all available on our BMC store, except for the cardboard. You can get that anywhere. Step 2. The bike. Next, you want to get the bike elevated. Ideally, you want the back wheel off the ground. You can do this using a paddock stand or a centre stand. You can actually do it on the side stand, but it's not ideal. It'll take you longer and you keep having to move the bike back and forth. So if you've got a centre stand or a paddock stand, get it on it. Step 3. Cleaning. So you want a piece of cardboard on the floor to protect the floor from chain lube. You don't want it on the floor because as soon as you start moving the bike, you'll run over the chain lube and you've got it all over your tyre. Next, you want to turn the wheel till you find the master link. On this bike it's a rivet link, on some bikes they're a split link. Once you've found that, it's a good starting point because you know that when you've come back to it, you've done a full revolution and the chain should be clean. And you want to put a piece of cardboard behind the wheel. This protects the tyre from using any sort of chain cleaner, drivetrain cleaner, or when you're using the chain lube as well. Then when you're ready, put the cardboard behind the chain to protect the tyre, get your drivetrain cleaner, a quick spray, and give it a good scrub with the chain cleaning brush. Another quick spray, and then wipe off all the excess. You want to do that on all the chain until you get back to the master link. Once you've done a full revolution, just go back over it and make sure you wipe it nice and dry, making sure that the chain's clean, ready to apply a nice coat of chain lube. Step 4. Lubricate. Now with the chain lube, give it a good shake. Shake it well for a minute or so. And just like the chain cleaner, start at the master link and apply it to the inside of the lower chain run. Again, make sure the cardboard's behind it. And there we have it, we're done. If there's excess on it, just wipe the excess off.
Step 5. Final checks.
Finally, just go back over it. Make sure the chain is clean, properly cleaned, properly adjusted. And most importantly, check the chain tension. Reason being, when you're cleaning a chain, it can blast all dirt and grit out between the rollers and can actually create a little bit of slack. So always check the chain adjustment.
Lastly, step 6. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon.